What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video we are going to do just a little POV driving experience of the Coyote swapped Capri. Now, if you're not familiar with the Capri, not only did we build this entire car on the channel from essentially what was a bone stock 82 model Capri, but it is also one of our next giveaway cars. Yeah, that just happened. But before we do, let me give you just a few details on this car before we get rolling. Boys, we went all out on the 82 Capri. We left the patina because the patina is so freaking cool. It just, hey, you gotta love it. It gets attention everywhere it goes. But before we go any farther, let me break it down for you real quick. This is the entire drivetrain out of my old car. So you've got a Gen 1 Coyote with Mustang cams, Gen 3 Coyote intake, JLT cold air intake. It is tuned on a Ford Racing control pack. Now, the really cool thing about this is my car back in 2019 went to Cook's Headers and Exhaust to develop their brand new redesigned headers. So this has the header on it, the 1 7/8 stainless Cook's headers that were designed in-house on my car. Not only that, but full custom exhaust built in-house by Cook's Headers, which is all now available for sale on their website. So yeah, all of that is in there. Now let's move on to a few other notables. So the front suspension is also out of my old car. That is the Maximum Motorsports K-Member, the Kona yellow coilovers from Maximum Motorsports. Has my Cobra brakes on it, and obviously we had to swap it to an 8.8 because it had a 7.5 rear end when we got it. So it's got an 8.8 with 327 gears in it. Got the SVE bronze Series 3 wheels with the custom matched center caps that my buddy Tom Clark made, which is super cool. But going on back, the transmission is my Hanlon built TR3650, and this transmission, let me tell you, it has the best of everything. It's handled everything I've been able to throw at it over the years and has not missed a beat. Probably one of the best shifting transmissions I've ever owned. So just a couple other notables. Yes, it has the Dakota Digital cluster for the 4 eyes, which is fantastic. All the gauges work absolutely perfect. The car is tuned. It's running the original tune that was in my car. And runs absolutely phenomenal. We did some light restoration on the interior. It really didn't need a whole lot. The seats were in immaculate condition. We did replace the carpet and the dash pad. There's still a lot of little things I want to do to the car before we give it away, but I mean, it essentially has everything you need under the skin, and has the ridiculous patina to match. I freaking love this car. gets kind of rowdy quick. I mean quick. Car is extremely fast. As you can see, as far as drivability goes, it's spot on just like it was in my car. And it's so much fun to drive. Absolute blast to freaking drive this car. So if you know anything about Coyotes, you know they love the RPM. Hope you enjoy the POV Coyote Swap Capri drive. This thing is an absolute monster to drive. It's a whole ton of fun. Definitely recommend some drag radials if you're really going to let it eat. But guys, again, link is always in description. We're doing 3 cars right now in giveaways, plus all the other benefits to premium subscribers. So definitely hit that link, jump in, get your spot before we lock it down. If you guys enjoy the Coyote Swap POV drive, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.